Well, good morning and welcome to probably our 20th or 30th Tools of the Trade. My name's Rebecca Jackson. I'm the Director of the Center for Clinical and Translational Science, and it's wonderful to have all of you here today. For those of you who don't know what the CCTS is, the Center for Clinical and Translational Science has been funded at The Ohio State University since 2008. Really initially as part of Dr. Zerhouni's roadmap, which is really to try to rapidly increase the translation of discoveries that are made in our laboratories every day to improvements in health. And so the real goal of this is try to find ways to facilitate that, whether it be education, workshops and programs like this that teach you some of the latest things that are going on in science that you might want to put within those studies that you're planning, or research infrastructure that actually allows you to facilitate your work moving forward, ranging from biostatistics and biomedical informatics all the way to assistance in the development of human studies, proof of concepts, or as you'll hear today, some of the work that's being done in precision medicine. Certainly there's been nothing, I think, that's engendered more excitement, actually probably over the last 20 years, than trying to understand how we harness the information that we learned in the Human Genome Project to actually improve health. And although that promise is great, to date, most of our advances have been relatively small, and they've been primarily focused on identifying much better Mendelian diseases or diseases where there's a large effect size of a single genetic variant, or else understanding that the complexity of that gene-environment interaction is so great that we really need to think about new analytic ways to approach it so we can actually harness the literally hundreds of millions of dollars that we've spent sequencing and looking at it. So today, what we really wanted to do is to kind of give you a little bit of that landscape of activities that are going on here at The Ohio State University, and that in fact are going forward initially as part of the NIH Common Fund Precision Medicine Initiative that probably many of you have heard about, to give you an idea where you may be able to include this within the studies that you have. We have a wonderful group of speakers this morning that I think that I would really urge you to ask questions, find out from them how did they move things forward, where are the opportunities, are there opportunities for collaboration with each other as you look around the room, or in fact with our speakers today, and hopefully this will really advance your work. Again, thank you. I'll see you all back again at 11:45. I'm going to go double check my Cayuse submission and make sure that all the changes that I made when I double checked it again last night are still okay today. So I'm going to turn it over now to Ray Hirschberger, who's going to be our first speaker. Ray?